Well guys, here you have this awesome video from Miami Beach. I think it's a Regal yacht, but I'm not 100% sure. So if we have any experts on the page, please post the brand of the yacht so that we can add the information in the video. So again, I want to thank all the subscribers and everybody that is loving the videos, always leaving us comments and always leaving us thumbs ups on the video. Remember that that's the only way for us to continue, so your likes are really important. So again, if you like yachts, boats and power boats and drone videos, then this is the channel to follow. So again, subscribe, follow, whatever you want to call it, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.